Hello everyone, welcome to another Exchange 2019 video. My name is Ed, and in this video we're going to look at disabling MAPI access to a mailbox. Now there are two ways to do this. So if you log into the Exchange Admin Center, click on Recipients and then Mailboxes, you can select a mailbox and at a glance you can see what kind of permissions the user's got. But if you actually double click on a mailbox and you go to mailbox features, you can see that MAPI is currently enabled, and you can click disable, which will disable it, or you can do the same in PowerShell, where you can go set-cas mailbox minus identity user for n minus MAPI enabled false. So if I had to come back here and refresh the page, you'll see, sorry, let's go back in there. You'll now see that MAPI is disabled. Now to show you how to enable it using the console, you click enable and get cas mailbox minus identity user for n pipet MAPI star. You can see that it hasn't updated yet, even though apologies, I didn't click save. If we go look here, there we go. It is now set to true, so it's enabled. So there's two ways to disable it, either via EAC or PowerShell, and to enable it you can do the same as well. Thank you very much for watching.